while you do this in a bad man. I mean I tell you say yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just rinse it in a yo, you make man a pre some way in hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make man.
Say yo man yo. You know say all the while you do this thing big man a pre certain way right now. Cause me I tell you the truth, you know. You know say yo man rich in a bridging as a man, you know. Me not no money, you know. Also me I try also my thing, you know. Alright now you make man pre some way, you know. If do all some things.
Yes sir, I don't know how, I don't like how you behave man. Too little time me nothing no move, you behave so man. Oh man, you don't have to behave so brother.
I don't even know say me the man go empty me clip in your face and a response what me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know.
Yo, whip.
Yo, mama. Oh, yeah man, me there man, come on peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big man.
You have to go and say you know
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
you
man, if you just go on where you go, big man.
Easy.
So you say you need no more, why pray?
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say you 50 grand no more.
Whip. Me a regular customer, you know, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this and how much money, you know, long more they have to spend in a prison same way for this. You have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So 50 grand take you or leave you, you know, this side there, you know.
Alright, give me. Give me 15 ounce. Same like you last time.
Right. I'll go for your stuff. Don't. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill dog and if he come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be where you say I mash up down so you know dog. Yeah man, you see him be there we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy them police boy they want her for dog. She a mash up the place in the dog. Yeah man. Right now dog, me not think she want but that girl let me place in the dog more. I make it dog they know a thing going on brother. Cause God know you know brother, the woman you know normal you know dog, me I tell you, you know. And she a mash up the whole over so you know brother, you know, me I look at she a
yeah, I go an idea and I place that. John no star. I can go and for me an idea. Lighter, yeah, biscuit sweet there. Yeah? Yeah man, everything there, yeah, yeah. If I come like say one of my sardine and go I will see it on so I jack down I walk. Yeah man, everything look like man, can chop a food. Yeah, that's it.
I go and heavy. You look like you're happy. How you here about?
You know, there, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sir, you know, say, I don't really nothing like that. But, don't know, say, I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know. So I feel good, you see me? Yeah, man. I buy a decent fridge, come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cool water can't drink and oh, I will tell you. I say I heard,
Anyway,
man, I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
Yes, hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright. So I go on.
How much is the feet again?
150.
$100 me have, you know.
150 for Joe 7 my friend. John, why know? So me I deal with, you want me, you know. I really want you take your habit and you trust him for early morning, you know, you don't know, I don't know, rough yet, you see me?
Alright, sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright, let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just send it out.
Alright. Why you tell your boy you come back with money, you come more a fool, you take man for? They were sitting on the door all the while, I come short my money, I come talk about you come more. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man want to say, be a police dog, they say, no bad boy.
Eh?
Tell the dog. Come like at the whole upper station up there, say, brother. At first, I see too much police in that place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, say, bad man. Shot fire? You ain't no shot about the place?
You know shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, say, because I'm not going to say, make them board and all and pull me, you know. See here. Once me get all the new work right now, you know, I don't need no police, bad boy.
Don't worry, man. Yo, just go and block Sessa, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career up the road, them go out and check someone up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold your other, brother. You see me? So when you say I go on now, I see you up on a new work.
Until you say out from the hotel, me get a piece of work there, my brother, and thing I go on good, still in a bad man. You see, a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah, man, people them love off a weed up there, especially the white boy them in the dog. Swear you out, a piece of food can make right now, is a link more right now, I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now, I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes, brother, man. Then yo, you don't know what's right now, you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah, man, a right place to come, G, man. A right place to come, right now, you link their foot. Any amount you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind, yo, how the price them steak? Right now, I want a good pound and a half or so for bring in, brother.
Oh, yeah, so
What
man,
the
right
things
now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb, same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it. But here why pray now in general, me have to go make a link, you see me, towards the pricing of rare and to get in the amount where you want, because you know really their food just like that, you see me.
Yo,
Yeah.
you know, so the lemon kush me here, the board them at talk about when I hotel there, brother. Around, when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get peace, you know. Yeah man, you can get peace by a little more.
Pound and a half, how much you know?
You want no, pound and a half, it will run out about, pound and a half will run out about 250,000.
Alright then.
The pound and a half.
Simple match that man, you can make back that man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now and make a dog jacket on my foot. You hear?
Alright then, so a couple hours from now.
By
see?
5 o'clock, man, that at least.
Yo, cuz.
That's guidance and protection. I right place, G.
Alright, you see how old, man. You know, say I'm a general.
Yo. How you have come, man? Remember, say, boy, then you out there, you know, man. But I go too fast, brother. Go and humble, man.
Yo.
Man, we are doing
Nah. Look at them gun, man. Look at them cut, man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you say 5 o'clock, you
Yeah,
know?
man, by 5 o'clock, man. How are you, man?
Say how
By
old,
5
man?
o'clock, me J, man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
It's a hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here.
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around
Yeah,
here?
man, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there somewhere live. Yeah man, we just operate in the shop so you know. Yeah man.
Oh, so you managed all this by yourself? Like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this look like a lot of work.
Yeah man, me have a girlfriend man. And me I tell her say, as I mentioned girlfriend, me I tell her right now I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, cause me I tell her say right now she mean the world to me, my friend. Yeah man. But you want now, you see shop part not really hard for run. Yeah, that part not really hard for run. We just buy the stock of we buy and put in back of we put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over this is you live, right?
Yeah man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down there.
Yeah man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most high times. But based on work, you know? Yeah, she have to depend on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, me sorry, you know, feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, and like a company.
Yeah man, you don't know saying as man little feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her or I text her, you know. And so we just link one the same way. You understand? Yeah man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin my name man, Kevin. Or you can just call me Kev. So anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is there anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev, if I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it look like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Well, you know, say, me not, me I try get, you know, say me I try understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And was that a string of it? Or you me want?
Alright, I tell you, Tina. Tina, you see them was right? You know, Tina, me I tell you, so no, you're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend. And I tell you the truth, I don't really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear. But in case a girlfriend forget what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me have to get the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me have to get the boy.
Oh, my phone. That's my phone, man. That's I want to let me left you over yard, man. Okay, you know, so now I go feel. I'm in a fit. Delilah. But that's more time I'm gonna call her, man. But I'm have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, me reach and by me reach out there, me then a little time I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now and look over the whole place and I never see it. So me just say me I take time and walk come over here, come look where I go and if over here me left it. So when me see them, me call them, and that's why I say me have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah, man, me wish woman. Nah, be man, no bother with them thing there, man. No bother with them thing there, man. Which woman you talk about, man? I tell you, say over the shop, I walk go. Woman over there. Say, me there, woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness, man. No bother with them thing, man. And then sit there, me can't deal with the thing, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, no bother with them thing, man. You see why where you push off for me, you know. Over foolishness. I mean, I tell you, say, I left the phone over here, there. Eh. Yo, you want now. No bother with them thing, man. A joke thing you depend, you know, man. Because right now my head kind of hard for a morning thing, you know. You come with them advisor for me, you know. A different thing you depend. I don't really depend on vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So I wish you to hang up for me. So all them are sitting here, know me, I tell you, you know. All them are sitting here, know me, I tell you, you know. You see all them are vibe, you know. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So, I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must have to tell you honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel as if I come back now I can get like a next chance. You give a next impression. I just want to drink. Have you say you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from whatever I just say a while ago. I just one drink now kill you.
Yeah, you can't have a one drink still, yeah? You can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have can't help to cool me off.
Yay, that's just great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some of the tequila.
So you say I chase it with an miss?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Why may I tell you some friend? Trust me, I'm glad you kinda come down on a level, you know. Because boy, I told you come in for me not too long, I swear say I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wonder how just come on upon him so.
Yeah, I'm serious say you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then when I tell you to stay alive because that's just a God. That's literally not me.
Yeah, but me happy to know say, you know, you change up the vibe and thing because right now me I tell you the truth, me have one woman there and she is not too good so me can't take her no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know. Best, you know, but yes, when it comes down to the woman part, I cheap out. Yes, I'm not really run and joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say you go on, Miss Tina. But you go hard, man. You can't make a show me up, so man. Then I have to take one shot to man. Where you go hard, man?
Mm-hmm.
I cannot take a shot. But now, cut your door, you know. But as I mentioned, high school. But they ever tell you say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me. As I was saying,
Alright, sorry.
exam and go drink, like with smoke, with drinks. You know this I go on from a long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today day, everybody feels so we're seeing, like nobody at all. I mean, like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah, man, watch out now. I give you our next instance, you know. You know, say, I go to school, you know, here what we do. Save up the lunch money, you know, and decide, say, you know, so we not go to school today. So here we buy the entire Appleton, a big buckle them. Yeah, man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton, you know, one big buckle of Pepsi, you know. Yeah, man, I tell you, so what, we turn around a yard back, you know, and say, I drinking for the day, you know. Half day we do around there, you know, every man junk, you know. I live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle or I come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah, man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat. Pay bad with me, of course. Take me up and carry me go over yard. What lick me get? And I tell my friend I'm not normal. I get licks until I wake. From that day, I never junk again. God know. But we got to it, man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and I end up say one drink, and see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when we have fun. But we can share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one chaser this time.
Are you yourself on the rocks? So, right, like it, I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. Who you say? What kind of chaser you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna bother with steel. Could you want to drink, how the time I can go wash you? No, sir.
Stay in here, you know, someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright.
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah? Yeah,
So,
I feel relieved.
I saw your blood along.
Yeah,
You know
man.
how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink your one juice, man. I'll hurry up.
And it tastes different. You know. Yeah, they charge me. Yo, Mr. Hafiz, so good. I want me drinking ice and me feel. I want me feel some and me feel weak and free. Yo, you know, our girl, how we putting a drink, give me? Eh? How we put? Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just, what me there now? So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh?
Shh.
You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush.
Mo-
Stop it.
Yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, make me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. You're supposed to come home for half an hour. Tie you up. Did I wear your no full time? No damn girl.
Which part? Where am I there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
How am I there, you know, my girl? My girl, you know who you are dealing with, you know? You know who you are dealing with, you know? Yo, no matter of fact, you hear all the bike them out there saying that me tell you far me there from the road, you know. You better you take off all them off of me right now, you know. Go on about my business, you know. Cause right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know. Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know.
Then brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you guan. Can come like something wrong with you? You can't see. You're blind? Look what I'm fright for. You know what man would I want me right now? And you are going like you're idiot. From a come here, you're going like you're idiot, like you don't want nobody, but I have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me tell a person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say, me not know one. Eh? But if police must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, here what you do. Just tell me what I go and tell me what me do, make me do it. If I money you want, girl, just tell me you want, me give you no man.
Bro, you not understand. No money at all. Like, this word there. Can, what should I say? Help me. Brother, it's like you don't understand. Are you me want? But everything I got alright. You see, whenever I did that play stubborn, in the first place, more have been in a rooms. All of this are because I did that play stubborn. But don't worry. I have nothing for you. But most of all, you soon understand what we have when all this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, say I tell you to from you coming and shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah, man, God know me not trust you from the first time you come in and shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. Hey, here, I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to a doctor. You say something there.
Shut up!
What you mean for shut up?
What me say? Shut up!
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman, you know.
You know, hear me say shut up. But one go doctor. One go doctor where? Look how me a treat a good and you come talk about one go doctor. And then say I'm get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and me have to deal with it and come deal with the rest.
That's right now. I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them I sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog, let me play. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. What the dog gone, man? One left him there. The door open. Most of the girl him hungry. Hello, mommy. General still over there?
No, you know, gone up on the road, him go, you know, saying gone make stock, you understand? So, he now come back about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know says a little thing me and him for deal it still. I don't know if him tell you nothing still, but me for circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, he never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone, I'm going to see shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, now come back about 2 to 3 hours. Just have him to lock up the place. You understand?
Alright, then make a dog know some me circle. Yeah.
Alright, we make him know what I'm going.
Make some link with some man in the dog. It's like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come to my shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you see her come from my shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come to my shop today. I see you earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. I say, if circling back, I'm going out there and the shop locked. I say, I want one cat up there and I don't know, she tell me say I'm not dead it. And she lock up the place and then if I told me dress her how me look still, you see me about when I trust her style. I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have no link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this still.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, I know some just come up by shop and the shop lock, brother. Which part you there? Up in your yard.
I phone that pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.
Oh, Senior, her bag was rain. Come on. Give me a bag.
Wow.
I said bag look heavy. How was that day at work? You know, so I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hurry up and go short. I'm have a good evening plan for you today. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy the man. Jimmy!
Yo, General.
Come here, link boss. I got me.
You know, say I did day upon a little, I did that thing.
That's so I got man.
That's the word. That's the word. Come on.
I am a boss. Link you back. Link. Link.
So, babes, why you go so early this morning?
Babes, you know, say I have to just jump in on them early, man, because that's how the thing go down, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, say in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know, man, I soon forward, man.
Babe, never gonna no work today. Right now, I'm in a mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time. So come on, never gonna no work. Babes, you said that no. Come meet you at road. Alright, may I come? Me know. Alright. You know, me cook dinner, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but more you hurry up and shower
Yeah.
and eat. And I have something for you.
Talk about that, I know, babes. What you have for me, I know.
It's what you said, baby. You will find out soon enough. James,
Go on, babes.
do you have something to tell me?
What that? I don't know what you're talking about. What you're talking about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James, what is this? Oh, so your son start your liberty now, you're dumb. I can't talk. Hi, sir. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that for your result. And you hide it from me. So, I don't mean this relationship, but you alone. Let me try to see. Because whatever I read from this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if what me see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And for you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. No one, no. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're the Ghana market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain a fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now me say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? Me don't even know if I see right to granny back. No, sir? 0.00. them a $0 longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir.
Yeah, you not fear go on, so man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance, and you have to have faith in a man. We still have a chance, man. Nobody go on, so man, I make it look so, man. I make it look bad all for me, too. You don't have to make me look so bad, yet, man.
But James, we have planned this for years. Months, sleepless nights, all this.
You want me, I know, babe. The sun I get red from where, so. So make it grow now back for a reason, in a cool shape.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you to know, say, I know hide me eye not the front, you know. Yeah, me have it, but here want now. And me know what I go on, and me know, say, a long time where I plan this thing. God know me, I tell you, say, me never even know if I put it here when me get it. Yeah, but me just you want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, to make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make it thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and 1, a 0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. Where we have to go now? Are that baby? That is low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up, so man. You can't just give up, so you know. Remember say all the reverend to come pray for we all and something, you know, man. We can't just give up, so man. We have our roots can drink to, you know. And the herbal doctor them we can't check to, you know. We can't give up, so man.
James,
I give up, so man.
you know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. I go to college, I focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything to become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I get a punish me.
But I just, you know, I don't.
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, your last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
Come on, babe. If I die in that case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's a lie. How do we kids, man? You mean to tell me say you get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you go stay with me? Oh no, wicked and lie now? Hold that.
No, babe, so you go on, so man. Calm down, man. You tell you if you have faith in a man. Calm down.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, maybe I wonder if I can call link you later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that, we're there here, man. No matter of fact, we just want to say all a little reason to, so we're there here, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
What going, Chris?
I'm there, you know, where say I go on with. Long time I don't see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you miss everything about you. Too long I don't see you, it's like you move off a face like earth, you know. Too long I don't see you. And so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't say anything, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, I say, I some problem I had on my yard, but I don't want to help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah, happen.
No, sir, but this not sound good. So, you live happy married life and have problem in it?
even happy marriages have problem and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want a problem we have down a yard and me not go tell you go ask anybody car. Me not trust them like that. Me I did this so me can come to you, come ask you about this problem or me can help me with this problem.
Well, now you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow on and come on like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me why problem because if me can't help you more, I feel help you, you know, so just tell me why problem.
Alright. Fair well now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing and it's like in our work. So me just come to you now to see if you can help me out. Because I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you. Previously on pregnancy test. What is this? Oh, the wicked man.
Come on, man. Can we there start talk? Come on, my girl, because we go say no man have no place, you know, so we need to work, you know. I say things set, you know.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir.
Hey, Sash. Well, you know, say it's a girl put in there, you know. You understand? I'm going to name her Tommy still, you know, because certain things set in.
Listen, Chris or Stephanie, any one of them I want to refer to now, we had a deal. We do this and it done. No string attached. There will never be a me and you again. There's a big difference. I passed that. Whatever happens, just keep it a secret. I don't need to hear nothing else about it. I don't need to talk to you about this again. I did enjoy myself last night. As me start so. As me start so. I'm done. Why? But I'm not concerned about it. Little, you know? Little. There's so much in that.
You know, come eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
You know, say something I do. You can't talk that when I come in, you know.
But babe, you don't want the tea free and the breakfast cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work, bro.
I said early man who did smoke ganja, man. I only plan days, I see what I know. You can find something you should do, man. You should do, man, one week. Find something, man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, I see you just up like your pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, I don't understand you. You come out say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. I don't understand you, man.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church, no? I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me, pass me, see you there, rub your little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now, come to church. Right, sir?
Man, again, Pastor. Never question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl, and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Leave her house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round a pop style upon your road and then wait there. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. And hold on the pastor, I left out something to you know. See? I don't want the man no want breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you would do, Pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you would do about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take our man and breed our man. No, in my church, I preach God word, I'm bother with that. Right? You see that situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to do with that. Right? No.
But babes, you know something I like when you look so, you know. You know, she say, the hair want touch up, man.
James, is that sweet, my kid?
You have got touch up a little more, man. I want to see here a flash around me, you know. You hear?
I'm not talking, man. I'm not in a heat. So anything I do inside, go and work inside. You know what you want to.
Yes, you know, say from what you want to talk to you. Yeah, man, because you know, say you give me one attitude from what you I wonder, I want me to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say, if I don't know if I look a result thing, I make you either stir up still. But anyway, remember say, Pastor will come still, so I'm come pray for you and give you a counseling. You understand? So, if I that, I'm going to make your head worry too much over that, yeah.
Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But to tell you the truth, that I go on, so that's why I have to go and burn my herbs in and go and while I medicine.
No, man, you don't have to burn no way. Now invite you to church. Me can show you a better way, man. Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, you're here. So, I went off your church, and which part of your church I keep you now?
Right down at Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me a hear you, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear, I don't think I understand how I feel. Right now, I'm in a mood, so just go back inside, yeah? Let me see if I can face him. Peace, man, peace and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we, you know what we are doing?
Babe, I want to be in here too negative, you know. You know, if so negative, you know. Because you want now, we have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have art. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out to your son, Pastor, man. Yeah, man. Have a seat. Have a seat.
So, what do you know, man?
Good,
You know that, everything alright?
Pastor, we're there, you know. We're there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We're just there going to enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, I feel there, we just go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Right, man, right. I understand now what the issue is going, right? So, we show it to me, you what going.
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want now? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we there and we try everything and it does not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you need to put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the panel like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in my bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink a couple of them, you're different, you change. There's a two. If me can feel it, you can feel it too, because you're body.
Pastor, nothing know about that, man. You have to go so far in, I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So I'm talking in peace. You want me to breathe in peace?
I'm not have to worry, man. I'm not have to worry, you know. Let's go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. Never try?
So, you know, no Christian, some Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That not in my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
Me not see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. Me don't even know if a man have paid me. James, me tired, me work for a morning. Me need a shower, me want to cool off, me want to rest, me want to sleep. So I'm matter of fact, me going inside.
No babes, you're not fair going some man. Me need pastor come fit out too. Pastor no watch that damn.
You have to be careful with that woman there, no? That boy, that woman there, if you don't mind, somebody will agree with you.
Yes, Pastor. So you say you're leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Have a good evening.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor. So hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with the umbrella when you are coming.
I'm doing it, man. You like it rain how far with you? I see me can't reach up for it rain.
Now this time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, at 2 weeks now, you know, I know me can't see no stitch down. As a matter of fact, just take a pregnancy test. I wait on the result. Negative. So you know what that means? You have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You can check me and check you.
Me arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit there. Yeah. Cool.
B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then me just tell us I never beard. Handle me head.
B, me out there with the pastor for about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you not easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel you're sitting here, I can't take you up the door.
So, I know for your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's all I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, and I know.
What play till you can prove it? I grew up with a girl in Angel, so come back.
Why you too? You say you're tired. I say you're going to road. And it's not easy.
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place that go like pan we you know. Tell you make you look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't know see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. I even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But so I know sometimes they think I'm not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant, you know, and 1 month before I start seeing any symptoms, you know, every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man come want, you know. Yeah, only for something, yeah, man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And I tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see a result. But so one taxi will come. Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, also, I'm going to trust yourself, yeah? Take it easy, because you know, say pastor, you only got me to work. But what you can do is, me tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up your position them. Because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you know. You have to switch them up. But anyways, me run go up here, so I hear me link you.
Alright, thank you. Later. GMs. GMs. I'm gonna do a lock. I'm gonna finish it, please.
Go on.
Oh, yeah, girl, like you go out, so.
I say, baby man, then you call me there, I wait for you. Right now, me have to move go to the road, you know, because I have something I have to deal with.
No, B, you can't leave. You don't know, so we have something to
Yeah,
do.
you want now, what me I go deal is very important. So I have to go up the road. What we are going to do, you can't deal to come home, man. I soon come back. I spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to deal with that. I come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't do that. Come back, man. Yeah?
Really? Like, really?
How about this? Yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm not going for 2 to 3 hours, so you have to come now.
No, man, I can't link you for your yard, man. You're mad, man. Say no spam, man. You don't know spam yourself, sir.
Wow, you're not going to trick him. I wonder how you're not going to trick him.
Sash.
Ratted. Hey, all husband included in there. No, say when you're too nice, my God.
Yeah, man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah, man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah, man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there to start. Yeah, no. I get, once I set the gate up, she go on right now. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! How I go on in there? Sash!
Mary. Oh, yeah, pass me, so. Call me, not say what I go on.
Nah, man, I say, man, I'm for do that. I'm my father, I'm going down the road, so I go check, man. I'm going to tell you if top car and barrack, I'm my father name, so. Omar, my name, here.
From my idea, my name. I call you Barry. You can't let it go now, man.
Here. So, how deal with otherwise?
But they know, but I was at some more to drink and throw up and I pick them at the tree.
I saw you hot all the while, man. The people in charge of it and then tree. Anyway, I'm my father, I'm going to give you one link and stand forward there. Because remember, it's something you have to deal with for me. Yeah, man, I come back and check you later.
What kind of thing that you talk about?
Can't talk about that on the road, I know, man. You come over and come check you.
Call me. I'm number no change.
John was star. Leave for finna the party shot last night, me J. I tell my brother, girl dash way down there like nothing. I'll see you little friend down the road and see how she get hot, brethren. Little shot up, finish her and pan her wind up and one other thing she a go on with that.
Yeah man, all I go on in a genius, you see her, you know.
Sometimes you have to go on easy because you don't know man loaded, you know. Sometimes you have to go and steal from people.
Yo,
Listen,
actually, you don't even know, you know, man. Me well want to reach, you know. Like, you think go good, though, man.
I want a good vibe, man.
Yeah, no, man. I know, say I show me up on one little program still, me give me a try deal with some things and make it go right way. Believe me, yo. I'm sorry, say me miss a party, you know, man. Like, you know me, brother.
Daddy! Daddy! Boy, daddy is coming like he nah work good, you know, man. I tell him, man, say he want to hear me, you know, he nah hear me, you know. You wanna say the daddy, man? Yeah, give me a call, you, man. Oh, yeah, work hard, man.
Yeah, man.
Give me the spirit, man, me do it to you, man. How you say, man? Let me do the thing to you, man.
Alright, man.
Go and go sit down and eat yourself, man. Remember, say you don't feel too good already, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
See, same thing me I tell you, see there. And then something me I tell you, say, I cause the problem in that day, you know, man. See there. And then see me here because the problem, and then me I make you sick, you know, man. And then something I make you sick, you some more money you spend for medication, man. And the doctor tell you, say, you don't have to burn your finish smoke nothing, daddy. Daddy just here, you know, man.
Alright, sir.
Me I go and rake up your yard for you still, here.
Alright.
Go and sit down and easy, man.
Oh, Mark.
Yes, daddy.
I'm going to cool off, yes, sir.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Yo, my brother, you know, we did it with still in our way up to where you're going without your feeling about. Right now, Bridging and say everybody I get rich out of the game, Bridging, everybody a chop line right now, watch that. That me pull down what day there, you know, fat for the look funny. Dog, me and you feel in the thing, I mash up the thing and the bun up the road and I'm G.
Boy, you know, say me G, I don't really say, boy, I wouldn't want to do the thing, but you know, say, you, in your life, you have to think twice about them things, you see, so, boy, I would have to really consider it. You can't just say, I go jump to conclusion and just do it, you see, I have to get at all.
John, no, brother, me and you feel the bun up the road in the G. Cause watch out, right now we think fitting, all we want is a phone, you know. We don't know your thing fitting, brother. You have no phone around here, and you have good dark game, you know. You know, if you get up in the people and reset it, you know. That's all it taking, brother, right now, anything easy, you know. I'm gonna have them saying that them palm right, you know, with you side of me, that everything turn up, you see me? So right now, we want you to get to see together, step forward and bridge, and we do the work. You see me?
You know, so I not too know about the thing, me G.
Them man there can show you, my brother, what you talk about, man. Right now, there you know, brother, see evidence right in front of your eye there, you know.
Boy, if your little work program now go nowhere, no, brother. No way. If you
Really,
come over
man.
here, so brother, come join the game, brother.
Man, over here, so they go and bridge, nothing over there, so brother. Everything I keep over here, so. See it there, it's a phone, get the right.
Boy, you mash up before daddy, man.
Yeah, man.
Me plate, man, how you say, man?
Me last sit talk to you, brother.
Daddy, you know, me and them man, the thing come down, man. Me and them man, not too deal, you know, daddy. Yeah, man, them man, not go on too good when them ready, you know. The rest of the other them rum, you know, daddy. Every day me talk to them, man, they pay badness them a chuck, you know, daddy. Me not depend on the badness thing like them, you know, daddy. All them pray are just with gang and gun and all them things, you know, daddy. You know my thing different, you know.
Omar, and your brother, you know. Can't be easy with the man go and talk to him, you know. Cause boy, when you check it out,
Daddy, all what go on, you know. I know me fit talk to him, you know. And I tell you the truth, because you want now, you see when we are boy, and him no used to praise, you know.
no, man.
And him no used to give everything, you know.
Never used to praise no boy, no, man. Nah, none of you, right? We love you the same way. Whole of you, we love you the same way, right?
Why you wouldn't remember, you know? But me remember, you know. Yeah, man, and him no used to give first preference. So him supposed to be around here right now. Him supposed to be around here right now more than me, you know. And me there come here and do all kind of thing around here, you know. That man supposed to be there, you know. Yeah, daddy, but here one now. I know me I go talk to him, yeah, man. Somebody else have to talk to him, yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Omar! No answer. Omar!
Yo, I saw them a bill of dear, I saw them a bill of gone up, man. Watch all the light bill, man. So they expect you old man to pay all them money. 50,000. My God. Daddy! Daddy!
What?
Daddy there, man.
You there, man?
Oh, around I see them, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me that something not tell us if you tap bunny grabber, man.
That's true, man.
You know, say I see him to make quite fair buy some medication for you, man. And he's sitting in there, you know, man.
There's a little drum here, man. I soon tap, man.
Daddy, you have to hear, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Daddy, I'm not sure we don't want nothing to you, you know, man. You understand? Because watch out, all the light bill and see all the light bill come in. And the light bill high, you know, me, how you pay them money?
Well, yeah, we just look at a pension, you know. Pension, I suppose you can go and do a thing.
Well, a pension can't nothing, Daddy. The last time you get a pension, you know, man, you remember saying that him chicken back he could him buy?
That's true, man, that's true.
Say that can't work, man. And me have to go deal with Daddy, man. Come, Daddy, man. Give me a sitting where you have, man. You see all the medication you have to take now, man.
Yeah, man.
Come, man. Come, man. Nobody with them are sitting here. Them are sitting here, I'm mash down in, man. See
That's
medication, them, see them have to take, man. Come in, man. Come on, man. We get some water and something, man. Make I get the medication, them, man. I want you, man. You want to sick out, man. We don't want to lose there, man. Come, man. Just not, Delilah.
We are going with General.
You know, say, you may look for, man, everything good.
Yes, sir. You know, some there, man.
Are you may go and check in, man. We are dealing with an Rasta.
There, you know, my General. We are going with.
There, man, I hold them, you know. Everything good.
Some there, I clip off and look a piece of weed.
See him there.
Piece of weed, I want to sell a piece of it still, you know.
Yeah, no.
Sitting, you know, man.
That one smell good, you know, brother. Yeah, man, yo. Look on the weed, man. Yo, weed look good, G.
Yeah, man, I'm bad sitting, man. I'm bad around the place, man, right?
Yeah, no. But yeah, why I know Rasta? You know, say. I don't really know weed more to buy still, you know.
For real?
Yo, I business more and go in, you know, G.
Okay, then.
Yeah, man, because you want me, you know. So I know say you run off your thing, G. And if I do a little work down at the hotel, dog, and I tell you, say I lose a little work, brother. That's what I deal with. So, you see through that, you know, I have to try it in general. But I try to juggle the curves, dog, and less time this.
Yeah, man, alright.
And then I go one extra diet, my brother, alright?
No, sir, alright.
Alright, better me try this, brother. I know 9 pitney me get in a dog. Yeah, man, so me have to youth them out the G, so watch out now. I business more and go in.
So, like, alright, time I forward, you know, my General. It's the strain of weed, I saw a tangy weed, brother. I tell you, it depends on price, you know, brother. I tell you, then weed, then top 70,000, then weed, I go for a whole heap of artists pass through and buy them weed. And the bun then weed, then General, it's a different meds they get, you know, brother. You like, I want to lift up and do things, you know.
So, like, that the one there, boy, they want on the beach, you know.
They don't know, you know. Bomb strain, them, you know. So, anyway, still, me, you know. You see me? A long time, me, I grow them weed, I still, you know, my General. Some kush weed, you know. Take a while to build the strain, but I build up here, you know them way. Yeah, man, I have you hit around the place, you know, you know. So, can't bust up on a thing, man, but I'm right, you know, because when I done clip up the weed on the road, me I go, you know. Busy right now, you know, so you done, you know. They have to link me back tomorrow for that thing, you see me?
Alright, my General, now say a word, you know. Morning we link up, see?
Alright.
Flow, so yo, what you say? You say we can't keep that piece of land.
Dear man,
Yo,
don't know,
yo,
General.
do I smell, General?
Hold that, man.
Ah, bro, respect here.